हेलो एवरीवन। कैसे हो आप सब? बहुत दिन बाद मिल रहे हैं दोस्तों। तो आज हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं एक नया कोर्स। ट्रस्ट में दोस्त, ये कोर्स गेम चेंजर होने वाला आपके लिए। चाहे आप लर्निंग पर्पस से आए हो, चाहे अर्निंग पर्पस से आए हो, दोनों तरीके से आप दोनों हाथ में लड्डू मिलेंगे आपको। जनरेटिव एआई फॉर एवरीवन हु वांट टू लर्न एंड अर्न। तो दोस्तों, वंस अगेन वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल and welcome to this course on clearly what is hottest industry trend today, that is generative AI. Every few years a technology comes into the market which truly transform what is happening around us and seeks to disrupt every single thing we could imagine of. So, like we have got machine hundreds of years back, computers in the late 90s, and then mobile phones, broadband, artificial intelligence. These were the biggest and most remarkable discovery of the decade. And generative AI is clearly the next item on the list, perhaps even bigger. Every single area that you can think of is going to witness a change due to generative AI in coming days. And that is why it is so important for us to know about it, be a part of the change, and that is the objective behind creating this course. Teaching you everything about generative AI in a very simple, very interactive, very practical way. So, this is going to be your course content. We will learn about generative AI, everything from starting with most fundamental concept including artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and go into the advanced one. We will also do a demo of ChatGPT and learn its features and what really set it apart from everything that came in the past or coming. N- Now, in module 2, we will take a look at some of the key terminology. You hear a lot in generative AI, and I want to make you sure to understand everything, and we will make everything very simple. We will talk about LLM, prompt engineering, embedding, tuning, and all of this. Then we will go ahead and talk about generative AI can solve some of the use cases in few industries, and this will give you a practical ideas and tips on how to use generative AI in your organization or work and create something from it. Post that in module 4, we will create an advanced chatbot that you can use to query your data and ask question all by using ChatGPT API. And this particular module is going to be amazing because you will see how we can complex all of that in just 30 to 50 lines of code. And that is the real part of generative tools like ChatGPT. Finally, we'll talk about the future industry trend, how things will shape up in the coming days, including the most important question on everyone's minds, whether generative AI would be taking away human jobs or not. Now, if you look at this course content, it covers all aspects of generative AI, everything right from machine learning, deep learning, prompt engineering, embedding, fine tuning, recap, everything end to end. So, in course, in any case, if you will have any question, you can easily ask to me directly on the comment section. I will try to reply every question. And in the end of the course, there will be a surprise gift for 3 users. 3 students will get surprise gift, and certificate as well. So guys, ready for this course? We'll come next video and we'll start from module 1. For the time being I am taking your leave. और अगर कोर्स की कंटेंट्स आपको अच्छे लग रहे हैं, लग रहा है इस कोर्स में पोटेंशियल है, इफ़ यू आर थिंकिंग लाइक दैट, यू कैन like the video and definitely subscribe the channel, and if you want you can share in your friend group as well. That will be very helpful to me, and कोर्स बढ़ाने के लिए भी ये अच्छा होगा, आप लोगों के लिए भी अच्छा होगा. ओके, धन्यवाद, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.